Hello student, after discussing amino acid, various types of alpha amino acid and nature of amino acid, then now we will discuss peptide bond or linkage and protein, okay, and protein, okay. So peptide bond is very important. Just to draw the structure of protein or understand the structure of protein, one dimensional, three dimensional, we must know the peptide bond. What is peptide bond, how peptide bond form, all this. Now see, we know around 30 alpha amino acid are present, okay. One protein molecule which is macromolecule contain same or different alpha amino acid, but that all the amino acid obtained from hydrolysis of protein is from that 30, okay. So all the amino acid, and we know protein on hydrolysis gives alpha amino acid, and protein is made up of polymeric chain. It is a chain of alpha amino acid. So all the amino acid combine together to form long chain, that is protein in simple way. Now for example, glycine, okay, yes, it is CH3, sorry, NH2, CH2, COOH, okay, glycine. And consider alanine. Alanine is what? NH2 CH CH3 COOH, okay. So these are the two amino acid, different, glycine and alanine. Suppose if we react them together and if we remove water molecule from them, by reacting carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid. So we are going to removing water molecule. How? This water molecule is loose from carboxyl group, OH group of carboxyl group and NH2 group of another amino acid. Then what happen? NH2 CH2 CO. Now OH group and H will going to lose water here, and then this carbon and nitrogen get combined, NH, okay. Then CH CH3 COOH. See, this amide bond form here. Here amide bond form like this, CONH. This type of bond form CONH. This is amide linkage, amide bond or linkage, okay. So this, in this bond formation, two amino acid combine together by removing water molecule. And how this water molecule remove? OH group of one amino acid, OH group of one carboxyl group from one amino acid and NH2 group of another amino acid will going to release water and then combine two different or same amino acid combine together through this bond, amide bond. This bond is called peptide bond. This bond is called peptide bond. Peptide bond, okay. Peptide bond. How peptide bond form or peptide linkage form? Carboxyl group of one amino acid react with amino group of another amino acid, lose water molecule and combine to form amide bond or amide linkage, which is known as peptide bond. This is the building block of protein, okay. This peptide bond formation is very important in case of protein, okay. All the amino acid, suppose one protein molecule contain 10 amino acid. Suppose any protein molecule, single protein molecule contain 10 different or same alpha amino acid. In that protein, all these 10 alpha amino acid combine to each other. They are linked to each other through this type of bond. That bond is known as peptide bond or peptide linkage. Okay, getting? Again, suppose if we take 3 different amino acid, 3 different, and 3 different amino acid NH2 R1 for example, just to differentiate between amino acid R1, R2, R3 plus NH2 CH R2 COOH plus R3 COOH. Okay, 3. If these 3 amino acid combine, this amino acid react with this amino acid react with this, OH group of this lose one water molecule, OH group of this and H from amino group. So in this way minus 2H2O combine. Right structure NH2 CH R1 CO. Now this carbon combined going to join to this nitrogen NH, or we can write here H CH R2 CO NH CH R3 COOH. So here this molecule formed by combination of 3 alpha amino acid R1, R2, R3 for example. Now how many peptide bond present? 1 and 2. Therefore it is called dipeptide. Dipeptide. Previous was monopeptide or peptide, simple, because that contains single peptide bond or amide linkage peptide. Here dipeptide. Again combine one more amino acid CHR4 COOH. Then it will combine, form same, and then it will going to join here. Okay. Then NH CHR4 COOH. Again here one more peptide bond, it is called tripeptide. So this is the long chain, and suppose any protein molecule contain 10 peptide amino acid, then one by one 1 2 3 4 amino acid tripeptide, 5 amino acid tetra, 6 penta, 7 hexa, like this. Okay. So this is the polypeptide chain form. If the protein contain more than 10 or more than 10 alpha amino acid, then that big chain is called polypeptide. What? Polypeptide. And this polypeptide chain is nothing but protein. This polypeptide chain, polymer of alpha amino acid, in which alpha amino acid are linked together by peptide bond, is nothing but polypeptide or protein. So protein is nothing but polypeptide chain, right? Monopeptide, dipeptide, tripeptide, tetrapeptide and polypeptide. So protein is a polypeptide chain, remember. Okay. So in protein this type of polypeptide chain present. Again I will write big one like this, NH2CH R1 CO, NHCH R2 CO, NHCH R3 CO, NHCH R4 CO NH CH R5 CO and so on, OH or so on. In this way, here also H and here also. Okay, so this is polypeptide chain. This is polypeptide chain, or we can call protein. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of polypeptide or peptide bond or peptide linkage. Okay, if protein contain 90 amino acid, same or different? Okay, 90, then how many peptide bond present? 90 minus 1, 89, like this. If 100 alpha amino acid, then 99 peptide bond is there. Okay, so in this way, so all these protein molecule contain same or different alpha amino acid. On hydrolysis, they will going to produce alpha amino acid. Okay, mixture of alpha amino acid. All may be same or may not be same, but this alpha amino acid is from that 30. There are only 30 alpha amino acid identified till date. Okay, so all these whatever alpha amino acid obtained from protein by hydrolysis is that from list 30. Okay, so suppose any protein contain 50 alpha amino acid, means what? Similar type of alpha amino acid may present. Total number of molecule are 50, but variety is from that, not more than 30. Okay, that is the meaning of polypeptide bond. Remember, polypeptide bond. Okay, now suppose this is the end. In between, large number of alpha amino acid are linked to each other. Here NH2 and here OH. In between, there are large number. This is the one end of protein polypeptide chain. This is the another end of polypeptide chain. On this end, nitrogen is present. At this end, which atom group is there? Amino. So therefore, it is called N terminal. N terminal. Why it is called N terminal? Because at this end nitrogen is present, and here it is called C terminal. C terminal. Carbon. C means carbon. N means nitrogen. At this end nitrogen NH2 group is present, and at this here in another end carboxyl group is present, that is C terminal. Okay, so this just a symbol for this N terminal, C terminal, and how peptide bond form, that is very important. How peptide bond form? Same or different amino acid release water molecule from carboxyl group of one amino acid and NH2 group of another amino acid and form bond, amide linkage. That amide bond is called peptide bond or peptide linkage. Okay, so this peptide bond or peptide linkage is very important to write protein, structure of protein. Okay, so in next class we will see the different structure of protein. So student, kindly request you to go through this chapter, read carefully, try to write structure. Okay, and if you don't understand, then ask me. Thank you very much.